Check it, check, 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 check. What you got to say? You got a song that's controversial, eh? You're Canadian, white, Caucasian, and still skateboarding until I recorded it. We're not here trying to bring you down, we're just trying to figure you out. Well, I was only 18 when I bust on my head, when I slipped off a ledge and fell on my head. I got stuck in a bed with a pad and a pen. I had a voice in my head and this is what it said: right now, write down, write your feelings out. Rhyme on a song now, put my words in style. Find out why my people are crying out. Reach out with hip-hop, skateboarding's your crowd. Now is the time, now is the sign. Now say a line that'll prick the minds. It's over now, you're older now. I'll flow right through you, let's show them how. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. So all the B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. Come on B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. They said it couldn't be done, I said we have to try. The white skateboarder kid blew up the minds. Take the music out the box like God with thorns. Stomp like Jericho walls and stretch your lungs. I'd wanna know if I was walking down the wrong road. Why someone tell me I have my eyes closed? I watch what I eat since supersized me. Since the internet, MySpace be the end thing. I talk in my sleep like I'm walking a dream. I cling to the cross who's Lord and the King. You think I'm crazy, they think I'm crazy. Test drive it, baby, it rides amazing. Still skating for real, not the same guy. I slide to the front of the stage, hands high. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. Now all my B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. Hey. So all the B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go.
Everyone gather round. I think we should announce that it is time to bounce.
While you're moving that left and your right foot, it's better now that you're hooked with the right book. I mean, you could do anything, anything. They told me not to rap or sing a thing. I failed music, they said don't do it. I put down acoustics and started a movement. I rhyme like an air flare up in your face, hold an air chair, flow at my pace. If I could do it, you could do it. If you could do it, they could do it. If we could do it, what we doing, let's start moving. Bounce if you wanna just bounce and move if you wanna just move and move. So all the B-boys, B-girls hit the flow. Here we go now. Let's go, let's go. Bounce if you wanna just bounce